How to fix Cash App. We couldn't verify this account belongs to you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App. We couldn't verify this account belongs to you. To fix this issue, you can take several steps to ensure to find out what is causing the issue. First, open the app info page, just like you can see here. On this page, you are in the app info section for Cash App, where you can manage your notification settings, permissions, and app data. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap Storage. This option provides details on how much space the app is taking up on your device and allows you to clear your cache or app data if needed. So, from the two options at the bottom, tap this one named Clear Cache. This deletes temporary files that might be causing glitches or slowing down the application. This option provides a quick way to refresh the app and fix loading issues if it is not working well, all without losing your account data or personal settings. If after doing this the issue is still there, it could be because your main account is linked to a different phone number or email address. To fix this, you need to sign out of the current account through your profile settings and log back in using the exact contact details associated with the account you want to open. If you no longer have access to that old phone number or email, you need to log out to the main sign-in screen. If all these have failed, then you need to call customer care through the official toll-free phone number to speak directly with a live customer support representative, available daily from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. They will solve the issue. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App. We couldn't verify this account belongs to you.